Hello and welcome, or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelz, and if you love all things sewing and fashion, then you are in the right place. Today's video is in collaboration with Babylon Leather, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you'll know that I've collaborated with them on a few different occasions now to make bags. If you're new here or if you've never heard of Babylon Leather before, they are a DIY leather kit company. So they sell kits that enable you to make your own leather product, whether it be a bag or a smaller project, a couple of which I'm going to be sharing with you today. Kits are very beginner friendly, and they also come with a tutorial. They are fully handmade. You do not need a sewing machine. The kits have literally everything you need in it to make a leather project all by yourself. The only thing their kits don't have, for obvious reasons, is a lighter. So you will need a lighter to hand. That's one of the things I love about Babylon Leather, is that it's something completely made with your own two hands. No need for experience, no need for a sewing machine. You can sew it wherever, whenever, at your own leisure. So yes, that's a bit about Babylon Leather. I will leave a link to their website in the description box below, and I will also leave a couple of my other videos down there as well, just in case you want to know a bit more about them and see a few of the projects that I've made in the past. So when they reached out, I was able to choose 2 projects, and I'm somebody who loves functionality and practicality, but I also like things to look good, and I thought, out of their small projects, the things that would serve me well in my day-to-day. I went on holiday last month to Morocco, and rather than bringing a book, I decided to bring with me my 2 DIY leather kit. They sent it to me in this gorgeous drawstring bag, and I love that it was small enough to fit into my suitcase without taking up too much of my precious packing space. I've never sewn on holiday before, unless it's like maybe sewing on a button or something like that. I've never sewn on holiday, and when I had some downtime, just sat by the pool, the plan was to sew, and that's exactly what I did. So the first project that I made or chose and made was this red leather eyewear case. Absolutely love it. Great quality. I've been using it since my return. This has been in my handbag amongst all of the other things, and it's still holding up its shape and the quality, and I absolutely love that. Like I said, very practical, very functional, and I have a new handmade eyewear case. The other project that I chose was a DIY notebook cover. I'm someone who's very much into journaling, so I thought it would be cool to use this so that I can cover my journal pages with it. How cool would it be to just have a handmade piece to cover the precious pages of my journal? So I've already made the eyewear case. Today we are going to get into making this leather notebook case. So let's get into it. 2 small DIY leather projects that I made with my own 2 hands, no sewing machine involved. Love how it looks, and I'm glad I decided to change the stitching so it was in a contrasting color. It just gives it that bit of pop, and I also like that I done this little detail on each corner as well. The only negatives I have about the notebook cover, firstly, I thought this was like an A5 size, which it is not. It's more like an A6. I don't like that the pages do not sit neatly inside the cover, and that the binder inside doesn't line up perfectly with the holes that are pre-cut into the A6 notepad as well. So those would be my only 2 negatives, because as you might be able to see, the pages are poking out a bit, and if I've got this in my bag, which I generally sometimes will carry my journal around with me, if I've got it in my bag, the pages might get a bit ruined, but that won't stop me from using it. I'll definitely continue to use it, and who knows, I may well find a pad that lines up with this neatly and it sits inside of it neatly. But absolutely love how this turned out. I also love my glasses case as well. Both small projects that will serve me day to day and fit nicely inside an everyday bag that I carry around with me when I'm going about my business. The other thing I like about these is that they're also great gifts. They don't take too much time to sew, and you can definitely give something like this to a loved one for a birthday or something, and it will hold a lot of sentimental value and last a long time as well. I have a new code, guys, which is Shelz, and this will give you a free gift with any purchase over $50 from the Babylon Leather website. I will leave a link to their website in the description box below. The code is on the screen for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.